This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Is it advisable to buy a watch before joining a long waiting list? Many watch enthusiasts and buyers often express concerns about how to join waiting lists and avoid the hassle of acquiring their desired watch. While it may seem straightforward to purchase a watch from a top luxury brand, such as Rolex or Patek Philippe, the reality is quite the opposite. Researching these renowned timepieces reveals the existence of lengthy waiting lists associated with them. Becoming part of these lists requires significant effort and financial investment. So, why do watch lists exist? Watch manufacturers have traditionally maintained an important level of secrecy regarding everything from product development to sales, contributing to the uniqueness and exclusivity of the industry. In this video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will provide you with comprehensive information about waitlists to help you navigate the process. We share valuable tips and insider knowledge on how to surpass the authorized dealer waitlist and increase your chances of obtaining the desired watch. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, we encourage you to do so now to stay informed about our future videos. Authorized dealers employ a strategy where they sell in-demand watches while simultaneously promoting another watch to customers. This approach increases the likelihood of customers being offered the waitlisted items they desire. The underlying intention behind this sales tactic is to acquire a more valuable and sought-after model compared to the initial purchase. To illustrate, the Nautilus watch is highly coveted, often considered Patek Philippe's ultimate prize, with various color iterations. On the other hand, the Calatrava, although a quality timepiece, is comparatively less popular and is typically sold by dealers before the Nautilus. Authorized dealers may promise to secure a Nautilus, the customer's dream watch, which is available in steel, solid gold, or white gold. However, to obtain these watches, they may charge prices 3, 4, or even 6 times higher than the actual list price. As a result, dealers offer a comparatively less expensive alternative watch to customers. They will offer a less expensive alternative watch like the Calatrava. They will assure you that in the future, you can still sell it to others and recall a competitive price. However, it is commonly known that purchasing this alternative watch will result in a loss, and the dealer will profit enough to provide the Calatrava. If you search online, you will find that there is little demand for this watch, despite some people expressing interest. In reality, no one has bought it. It is important to exercise caution as this watch is primarily used to get buyers on the waiting list, and those who choose to purchase it may face difficulties in recovering their money or may incur loss. When comparing Patek Philippe to Rolex, one notable difference lies in the waiting list experience. With Patek Philippe, you may encounter both shorter and longer waiting lists. On the other hand, Rolex typically offers watches to customers on a waiting list around 90% of the time. They assure you that, at the very least, you can recover your investment with minimal loss or even generate a healthy profit. Often, they will present you with entry-level models from the brand. However, it is important to note that these entry-level models may still come at a higher price than the suggested retail price. Additionally, Rolex may also attempt to sell you other items like diamonds, jewelry, or watches from different manufacturers that they have in their authorized inventory. Watch brands like Rolex operate a waiting list for some of its highly sought-after models due to their limited availability and high demand. Joining the waiting list does not guarantee you will be able to purchase a specific model, but it increases your chances of getting one. The authorized dealer may try to sell you other brands or watches they currently have in stock. The Rolex advertisement may claim a delivery period of 4 to 6 months, but there is no guarantee that the watch will be available within that period. It is crucial to understand that you are taking a gamble, as someone else with a long-standing relationship with the dealer may have priority over you. The waiting list process is a game where some people are successful in obtaining the desired watch, while others are not. Therefore, caution is advised. Your best chance of getting on the Rolex waiting list faster is to be knowledgeable about the brand and its main models. You do not have to be an expert, but having a basic understanding of the brand's history, key models, and some technical details will not only give you meaningful discussions with the dealer but also demonstrate your genuine interest in Rolex and its core values. Authorized dealers have full control over the allocation of watches to customers. Therefore, it is in their best interest to maintain waiting lists for specific models to quickly fulfill orders once the watches become available. As part of a sales strategy, Upselling is often employed, where fewer desirable watches are bundled with more sought-after models. For example, if you are on the waiting list for Rolex GMT Master, you may be offered a less popular reference. It may be worth considering such an offer, as the wait for highly coveted models like the Rolex Pepsi can stretch for years. Accepting the offer demonstrates your loyalty as a consumer who values the company beyond its well-known products. However, it is important to be cautious and not fall for offers that claim an item is expensive and has significant potential for future trade or is labeled as a special piece when its actual value on the second-hand market may not align with the inflated price. Mindfulness is key, and being aware of entry-level watches can help guide your spending and eventually work your way off the waiting list. It is essential to maintain consistency in your decision when selecting a Rolex sports model. Choose the specific item that you truly desire and stick with it until you can purchase it. Conduct thorough research on the Rolex model you desire, as there are numerous blogs and YouTube videos available to assist you in making an informed choice. Furthermore, it is beneficial to familiarize yourself with the holy trinity of luxury watch brands. If you demonstrate knowledge and understanding of these brands, authorized dealers may perceive you as a discerning customer who appreciates their offerings. Dealers often have a diverse collection of these brands, slightly different from Rolex, and they may cater to individuals who make significant purchases. However, Rolex operates differently since their watches are bought and sold more frequently, leading to a higher level of protection and exclusivity. While it's common to desire specific Rolex models that are in high demand, being open to other models can improve your chances of getting a watch sooner. Authorized dealers may have availability for certain models that are less sought after, and being flexible with your preferences might expedite the process. While you have the right to inquire about the criteria used for waiting lists, it is important to be savvy and discerning in these matters. Pay attention to any methods or strategies employed to achieve your goal, and be cautious to avoid taking unnecessary risks or ending up with a purchase that leaves you dissatisfied. Remember your commitment and desire to obtain the watch you have been dreaming of and approach the waiting game with wisdom. Be patient and understanding of the situation, as demand for Rolex watches far outweighs the supply. Be prepared to participate in the process, and hopefully, you will succeed in acquiring the timepiece of your dreams. What are your thoughts on the most effective strategies to work on the Rolex 80 we discussed in this video? Please share your comments and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.